There, a meal fit for a Pooh Bear. I do hope he likes the best friend lunch I'm giving him. After all, he is my best friend. Perfect. Nothing can go wrong now. Piglet, stay calm. There's no reason to panic over one little... Oh, dear. Now there is a reason to panic.
Oh, I do enjoy best friend lunches, especially the part where you ask for seconds. Excuse me, Tommy, but was that you who just went? Oh, I suppose not. Hello, Piglet. I brought you a best friend present. It's honey, because that's your best friend's favorite food. Why, you're very welcome, I'm sure.
Pooh, I have the...
Oh, I love games. Hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup,
But I'm not
hiccup.
playing the...
I believe you win, Piglet. Now can we eat?
Pooh, I've got the...
For me? Why, thank you. There. That's better. Oh, my. I like it very much, Piglet. Is it a picture of me? Why didn't you say so? I'm hungry, too. Oh, and don't forget the best friend gift. Best friend. Oh, my. Piglet doesn't seem at all in a luncheony mood. And my best friend gift isn't to his liking.
But Pooh!
Maybe I offended him. Perhaps it's better for me to leave. And goodbye to you, too, Piglet.
Pooh, please don't... Oh, Oh. Oh, my. The hiccups are gone. Good. Now I can apologize to Pooh and ask him back for lunch.
Ooh, how extraordinary. An unidentified bouncing piglet.
I'm sorry, Tigger, but I got the...
Hey, buddy boy, did you know you got the hiccup links? Oh, but don't fret, small fry. I'll get rid of them for you, or my name ain't, whatever it is, my name ain't. Now, the best way to get rid of hiccup links is by drinking lots of water.